Today we're looking into the story of Bhad Bhabie, the internet personality turned rapper who rose to fame after her viral appearance on Dr. Phil and later built a successful music career. Known for her bold personality and online presence, she has remained in the spotlight for years. But, in recent times, concern has grown among fans after she revealed a serious health battle. So, what type of cancer does Bhad Bhabie have? Let's find out. Bhad Bhabie, whose real name is Danielle Bregoli, first revealed in November 2024 that she had been diagnosed with cancer. She shared the news while responding to comments about her weight loss, explaining that it was due to cancer medication. At first, she kept most details private, which led to a lot of speculation online. As more information surfaced, it was revealed that she is battling a form of blood cancer, a type of cancer that affects the blood, bone marrow, or lymphatic system. One of the indicators mentioned was an unusually high white blood cell count, which is often associated with certain blood cancers. However, an important detail remains unclear. She has not publicly confirmed the exact medical name or specific type of blood cancer she is dealing with. In 2026, she shared another emotional update, revealing she had received bad news from her doctor while continuing treatment, showing that her battle is still ongoing. So, what type of cancer does Bhad Bhabie have? Bhad Bhabie has a form of blood cancer, but the exact type has not been publicly disclosed. Her situation highlights how serious and complex blood cancers can be, especially when details are kept private. Despite everything, she has continued to stay active, share updates with fans, and push forward through treatment. Thanks for watching. If you want more updates on celebrities and their stories, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.